Good day, fellow space enthusiasts. Buckle up as we embark on an exhilarating journey into the cosmos, a journey fueled by innovation, determination, and a touch of magic. Welcome to our classroom, where we unravel the awe-inspiring tale of India's trailblazing rocket Agnibaan SOrTeD. Today, our spotlight shines on Agnikul Cosmos, a startup born within the hallowed halls of IIT Madras. Picture this, a rocket with a heart, a 3D printed heart to be precise. Yes, you heard it right. Agnikul Cosmos has achieved what was once deemed impossible, the world's first rocket with a fully 3D printed engine. Let's meet our protagonist, Agnibaan SOrTeD. This suborbital technological demonstrator is more than just a mouthful, it's a testament to human ingenuity. Imagine a rocket engine crafted in a single piece, layer by layer, using cutting-edge 3D printing technology. Agnikul Cosmos cracked the code, and today, Agnibaan stands tall as a symbol of India's prowess in space exploration. But where did Agnibaan take its maiden flight? None other than Dhanush, India's first privately developed launchpad nestled in the coastal beauty of Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. As the sun painted the sky at 7:15 a.m., Agnibaan roared to life, leaving Earth's embrace. This launch wasn't just about reaching the skies. It was about showcasing homegrown technologies, collecting vital flight data, and ensuring Agnikul's orbital launch vehicle, the Agnibaan, is ready for its cosmic dance. Let's dissect Agnibaan's DNA. It's a two-stage rocket capable of hoisting up to 300 kilograms to a staggering height of 700 kilometers. Its engines, powered by liquid oxygen or kerosene, they ignite dreams and propel ambition. But here's the twist. Agnibaan isn't picky about orbits. It dances gracefully between low and high inclinations, like a cosmic ballet dancer. And guess what? It's mobile, a cosmic nomad designed to access over 10 launch ports across the globe. As we conclude our cosmic lecture, remember this. Agnibaan isn't just a rocket, it's a beacon of India's scientific spirit. So keep your eyes on the skies, my fellow learners. Agnikul Cosmos has ignited a spark that will light up the heavens. Until next time, keep stargazing, keep dreaming, and may your curiosity soar higher than Agnibaan itself. Hit that subscribe button, share this cosmic tale, and join us for more celestial adventures. Class dismissed.